restless, ain't no place to stand. Pounding on the tables and calling on the band. Hit the stage running, flying just a tad, swinging and a sliding, drove those people mad. Uncle Josh, it's time to go. One more town, one more show. Tune up the Odo Road. Breakdown and play those country blues, play the cannonball till you dance right out your shoes. When that dobro's singing like it has a voice, it's laughing and a weeping, just one of the boys. Uncle Josh, it's time to go. One more town, one more show. Tune up the Odo Road. I sure could use a wash, but I just keep on smiling, same as Uncle Josh. Uncle Josh, it's time to go. One more town, one more show. Tune up the Odo Road. Said Uncle Josh, it's time to go. One more town, one more show. Tune up the Odo Road. Uncle Josh, it's time to go.
Okay, we got the first turtle of the day, and it's a problem getting the turtle back from the dogs.
Where did you find that turtle, you big boy? Where did you find that turtle, you monkey? You're amazing. Where did you find that turtle?
They got it.
Where did you find that turtle?
All right.
Oh, that's a good boy, Mister. Yeah.
What do we have?
Male.
A male.
Really dark shell who just took a wee on me. He basically just got to be a hockey puck there for a minute.
The dogs were so excited, the first one.
That's cool. Thank you. Yeah, well.
That's a really dark shell.
Yeah,
that's great.
It's a big male.
Go on. You're all right. You did a good job. It's your turtle.
Yeah, that's an old turtle. Yeah, that's real smart. That turtle's probably 30 years old or plus. Yeah.
Because
it's eroded. I mean, you can tell that the annuli are virtually worn away up here, and they're showing that. Even here, they're quite smooth. Yeah. We would classify that as 30 plus.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. And it's clearly a male because it's flattened and it's got the indentation.
Yeah.
And another big thing we look at for gender IDs is the size of this flare.
Yeah.
We call them antlers. So this buck's got big antlers.
Okay.
And on the dicey ones, you can really that's a good guideline. The females will have a very small antler.
Right.
Yeah, barely flared at all.
Yeah.
Don't ease, don't ease, don't ease me in. I've been all night long coming home. Don't ease me in. I was standing on the corner talking to Miss Brown. I turned my head, sweet mama, she's away across town. Don't ease, don't ease, don't ease me in. I've been all night long coming home. Don't ease me in. That gal I'm loving, she's sweet and true. And the dress she wears, sweet mama, it was pink and blue. Don't ease, don't ease, don't ease me in. I've been all night long coming home. Don't ease me in.
got one. Good going, Sparky.
She brings me coffee. She brings me tea.
Victory dance, yeah.
Brings about everything.
Sparky.
Mama,
Sparky.
but the jailhouse key.
All right, Sparky. Come here, Sparky. Come here, Sparky. Come on. Come on, let me see that turtle. Let me see. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, look at the markings on that turtle. Wow. Heavy. Good. Beautiful turtle.
Because that is just pure yellow black.
Yeah.
That's a chunk.
That is a big turtle. Look at that.
That's got to be, again, the 450.
Make sure that the season signal is kind of it's coming from up there.
Yeah.
Seems like maybe we're coming from over here.
Well, so it looks like Bill found this little girl. It is a little girl, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And she was way over here, but just what, 3 feet off the road?
Yeah.
Where is she?
It's pretty cool. She's got a nice little form going.
Oh, yeah.
The reason I saw her was the transmitter.
Mm-hmm, I can see it there.
Yeah, but otherwise, it took me about 5 minutes.
From her.
Okay.
So
That's okay. But look, she is, what, 4 feet from the road?
Yeah.
if that, yeah.
If that. It's just crazy.
You want to pull her up and get a sample, or?
She told me not to touch her. But, yeah.
Well, if you can get it, if I can, I might be able to just...
That's not her. That's not her. So she looks with the...
Hey, girl, you're poking out a little bit. Here, say hi to the camera.
The ridges are awfully raised.
Yeah, that's a young, these are sharply defined. Yeah, this is a useful turtle. It's the first useful one we've seen today.
Very useful. You don't see much in there, but she's in there, of course. All right, let's get some DNA. Oh, the other one. She pulled back too quick.
How'd you get her to poke her?
Got it. There's one.
Static is not very sanitary for a turtle.
There's one right there. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
I wonder if
Okay.
you could take a shaving
She's done.
from that shell and look at it.
And where's her little hide? Hey folks, we're heading up into the Waynesville watershed. It's an 8,000 acre protected drainage that supplies water for the town of Waynesville, North Carolina. And our goal up here is to, well, find box turtles. John's got his dogs, and we're going to try to find as many as we can, as many as we can locate, and mark them and then release them. Just kind of get an idea of the status of the population up here, and see what we can find. We've already found one box turtle on the way in, just coming right in the entrance road, and we already marked her and let her go. So let's go.
Well, there ain't no way of knowing which way the wind is blowing. There ain't no way of knowing while my baby's done up and gone. Said there ain't no way of knowing. I keep looking for the headlights showing. There ain't no way of knowing if my baby's gonna come back home. Telephone my baby, play hell and get through. She won't tell me anything, and all her friends won't too. Well, there ain't no way of knowing which way the wind is blowing. There ain't no way of knowing while my baby's done up and gone. Said there ain't no way of knowing. I keep looking for the headlights showing. There ain't no way of knowing if my baby's gonna come back home.